Hi, my name's Scott. Today's video, we are taking a look at the D3K Smart Security Camera. It has 1080 HD resolution. It has the pan tilt function, which basically means it can pan around and also tilt. It has activity zone selection, multi-user sharing, color night vision, and PIR motion detecting. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what you get in the box. Right away in the box we get a little security decal. That's pretty cool. Some aligning stickers for mounting and a manual. In here we can take a look at the solar panel. That's right, my friends, this is solar panel. Solar charge, I should say. Looks like they give you decent enough cable so you can put the panel pretty far away if you want to. You get your brackets. Power supply cable. More brackets inside here as well. This is the monster camera. As you can take a look here, make sure you peel off the protective decal and also over the lens as well. If you forget to remove that and it sets in the sun for quite some time, it's going to bake into the lens and eventually turn blurry. So the camera is going to be set up and mounted like this, with this part hanging down. And as you can see, it can rotate up and down. On the bottom here is where you put your TF card, your memory card. You have your reset in there as well, and your power button in there as well. Here we can show you that it turns around. We're not doing too fast so it doesn't ruin the motor, but you can pan, tilt, and zoom. On the back here is where you connect your solar panel cable.